Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's not my usual intro over at the shop, but I was in a hurry just trying to get the engine on the stand. I forgot to do it, so I'm going to do it here. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I do appreciate everybody watching. Do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe. You know the details. Today we got the engine on the stand. We'll go over a few things and let you take a look at it. For the price of the engine that I got it for, I can't complain too much. I am irritated that I'm missing a few things, which you'll see here shortly. Hey, but drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Should I try and send this off to a shop? Should we just redo it ourselves, buy all the parts? Let me know. So without that, here's what happened today. So now that we have the engine off the stand, or on the stand and off the sling, I'm going to try and get this alternator out of the way so I can get to that last body bolt so we can get the body off finally. I messed up my wrist the other day at a game, hockey game, so can't put a whole lot of weight on it. Oh, you dumbass, don't do that. That's about fucked up. Oh, that went better than I thought. Hey, now I can get to that body bolt. Nice. Say what?
Elevator clamp outside for...
Yeah, you can take it off.
Okay.
Yeah, we fastened it. We have stabilizers that we're looking at the angle of the trim. We have a hole seal for that? Is blue okay for your hole seal? How often do you get these calibrated?
Once a year.
Are you?
Yeah.
How much does it cost to calibrate?
150.
How much?
150.
Each one?
Yeah.
Fuck! Aren't you better off buying a new one?
No, because new one's like $600.
600, jeez. Where'd you get it from?
Matco.
I don't know, probably fancy. Mine are probably. What are you doing here?
This is the engine that's going to go in that.
Okay.
So I'm just actually putting it on the stand so I can. Ah, damn it. I don't see any scoring. I mean, it looks decent. It's kind of a little rub right there, but nothing that I can get a fingernail on or anything like that. Most of the oil ports look pretty clogged up. Not bad. I think the case will be okay. But there are going to be a lot of things I'm going to have to replace. But I'll take this to a machine shop and have them clean it up. That's nasty as hell. Get a pick. It's all caked with dirt and oil. It's probably been sitting in somebody's garage for who knows how long. So they picked it up for less than the price of a core, so I can't complain. I did say earlier, I am missing the P pump, which is what I really wanted. But hold that thought. So you can kind of see, grab this stuff. The guy I bought it from said it came out of a dozer, but you can kind of see the condition that all this shit's in. So I won't reuse any of this. I will have to get new hardware when I go to put this back together. Yeah, sucks. Find something to put this crap in. Yep. You can kind of see it's a little rusty. I'll probably end up getting a new one of these, and the other one over there is shredded. So, yeah. Kind of just take a look. So, looks like it's been beat up pretty good. That barely turns. Whole bunch of shit falling out. Yay! So what you guys can't see me doing, I'm over here. I know the camera's rolling, I still got the wireless mic on. What I'm over here is at the parts washer, kind of rinsing off the oil pickup tubes because they were coked with shit. These I might be able to reuse. They look okay. Pickup tubes are fully caked with crap. So you can kind of see they're all nice and cleaned up now. Still not. Look at those in a second. This ain't bad. So obviously I'll let that soak some more down there. You can definitely tell that that's in better shape, but I will replace the seal because that looks like hell. Still not done cleaning it, but I wanted to get an idea. So what I'll do is I'll take the seals out and then take it over to sandblast all that old paint off it because I'm going to repaint this thing. Same thing with this. Still got to get some of the old gasket material off. But what I was saying a little while ago is, as far as this pickup tube here, I'm going to stick my finger in here, and that's nothing but, that whole tube is caked inside there. Can't really tell, but it's definitely heavier than the other one. This one looks fine. I mean, I can put that on and I get fluid coming out of there, no problem. This one, on the other hand, no way. So, don't know what he did. Put the wrong oil in it. He got it too hot. Didn't do oil changes. Who knows? But this one is completely caked up. So we'll finish all this crap cleaned up and take out the sandblaster. This doesn't look too bad. Which looks pretty decent. We got fluid coming out of there, fluid coming out of there. All nice and clean. So we got work to do. Yay. So I do have the oil pump. It's sitting right there. I'm probably just going to replace it. It doesn't look bad, but at the same time, I don't want to chance it on a new build. So the bearings look good. But like I said before, those are going to get replaced anyways. Oh, those are a little stiff. Yeah, we might be replacing those. I'll pop those off and see. Maybe I can just replace the pin and be okay. They're rusty as hell. Three. Hey, at least three. No. Maybe not. See, that's probably the worst one right there. Don't know how well you can see it, but that's all caked with shit. There's no spring on those rings at all. It's gonna be hell trying to get those out. Well, we'll see. That was my own dumbass fault. Where'd it go? Right there. Yeah, all the rings are shot. Oh well, there's one that pops out. Okay, we got work to do. Time to go order shit. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe. While you're down there, dropping a comment. The engine's not in that bad of shape. There's a little rust on the board, so not a big deal. I am missing the P pump, which for $500 for the engine, I can't complain too much. I'm gonna get a new oil pump, new head, new rods, new springs, pretty much new everything, just so I know it's decent and I'm not gonna worry about all the crap that comes. So I mean, case was the big thing, so I can't complain. So that'll do it for this week. Check back Monday. We'll see y'all next time.